So one of the cooler things about this is that so this is kind of wedged in between Valraven, the railroad, Millennium Force is right here. You definitely get tastes of Top Thrill Dragster here, and then Iron Dragon is like right below us. And so the lift hill is actually pretty quick. It gets you all the way up here with pretty good efficiency. And what you can't hear from here is that this thing has a soundtrack and really cool LED lights that are going down the side of it in the dark. And currently it's playing like ethereal music, very kind of symphonic, and the sirens are teasing you. And then all of a sudden it's like the sirens kind of take over, and then we get to the tilt mechanism, which is right here.
And we're tilting.
Yeah, now these vests that we have are actually pretty good because it keeps you from basically falling out of your seat going forward and ragdolling. And the back seat is definitely the one to have on this one because you get more of a drop. Whereas in the front, you're basically pulling out of that loop.
Whoa.
All right, pulling out of the dive before you really get ready for it. Now this thing has two inversions. We just did one. And then we have a whole bunch of little airtime hills all over the place. And then it kind of whips you back and forth. It feels kind of like a dog with a chew toy. Here's the second inversion. Then again, we're just kind of whipping around and trying to bleed off our speed. Hitting airtime moments all over the place. That's a really good coaster.